Hey guys, today I'm going to make Tabitha Brown's hearts of palm fried fish. If you're interested in the recipe or even hearing my family's reactions who are meat eaters, then stick around. Do I want to make a fish sandwich or do I want to make a meal?
A meal? That's good. It tastes like fish. Like,
alright man, go ahead. You just had to take
and they gonna be getting back like
this. You see
and they gonna be doing left when I get back.
Alright guys, as you can see, that was quite a crowd pleaser. So we're just getting started with the hearts of palm. I am draining them. They come in like a brine. So I'm draining them, rinsing them off, and then I'm going to pat them dry just to make them a little easier to handle because they are quite slippery. And then I will start to kind of use my fork to open them up. And as you can see, as you're opening them up, you want to be a little bit more gentle than how I was with them, because they do kind of naturally separate, but then they form the fleshy part as you are using your fork to separate them. And some of them might break apart, but it's fine. They all will all cook the same and taste the same. And then I flipped some of them over to see if I could kind of separate the back. And next time I think I might just leave the backs whole, but I wanted to get some more of the fleshy part. And then I'm taking my Furikake and sprinkling it on top. I actually spilled it, but it might have actually been a good thing because it tasted really good. So then I'm just sprinkling some Old Bay on top, some dill, some garlic powder, and then I'm swirling it around because I really don't need much more seasoning since I spilled the Furikake, but it will go on the back as well. I think in Tabitha's video she sprinkled both sides, or I think she mixed it up just like I was. Just making sure both sides are seasoned. And what you could do here as well is drizzle a little lemon juice on it. I think I might do that next time as well. This night I was cooking my family some mussels. It was a Garten mussel recipe, and her recipe doesn't come with pasta, but I'll make a little bit more sauce so it could be a pasta dish. And I was just wanted to eat some seafood like my family. I didn't want to be left out. I'm sure you guys have some moments like that. And that's my son. Excited. And now I'm just dredging it in a fish fry batter. Seasoning. I got this from my local grocery store. There were quite a couple, and I just found the one with the least ingredients that sounded good. So I don't know if that makes any sense. So like one of them I knew was not vegan, and then there were like two of them that were vegan, and then one had more processed seasonings in them, and one did not. So I just went with, I don't even know what brand it was. If I do, I will be sure to post it in the description box. That's what it looks like as it's frying. I fried them for 3 minutes on each side. I wasn't quite sure how long to fry it, but I figured, it was hearts of palm, so it's not like I could get sick from under frying it. But 3 minutes on each side seemed to be good. And this whole, that's me putting in my second batch. And that's it. Thank you for watching. And make sure you drink your water and repent. Bye.